chicken rinds, not pork rinds. So this is gonna be really quick, and it's good for people that are on keto and are always on the go, and it's like really quick, and you can take it with you or just eat it at the house. You guys are going to need chicken. Well, you really need the chicken skin. So I got 2 whole chickens from Costco. You're gonna need oil, obviously, because we're gonna be deep frying the chicken skin. And then I usually clean my chicken with lemon, but since there's no lemon, I'm using this, I think it's a Tangelo from the backyard, as long as it's citrus or however you clean your chicken. Put some oil in the pot like you're about to deep fry. I'm gonna start mine off with medium, and then I'll raise it a little bit. So I'll start cutting the skin off the chicken. Oh, poor chicken, I know. I really just want to throw everything in here. I'm about to just leave these 2 wings with the skin. So you're going to put the skin in a bowl. Put some water in there. And some of this. It doesn't matter that there's raw chicken on there because we're gonna throw this away anyway. So you're just gonna squeeze the citrus juice in the water to clean the chicken. Okay, so now you want to test to see if it's hot enough. And it's not. Let's turn it up a little bit to like a 7.5. are becoming golden now, but you can tell with the tongs if they're still soft or not, and you don't want them to be soft. You want them to be like crunchy. So the outside is still crunchy, but the inside is soft still. But they're almost done. Mira, me estoy haciendo los chicharrones de pollo. No, para brindar contigo y con el niño. Yo puedo también comer, pero nomás saqué el cuero a un pollo nomás. Okay, we're gonna start putting them on paper towels. And if you're doing keto, I mean, this is fattening enough, but I mean, you can add extra butter if you want or something. So now you're going to just let them cool off. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste one. And in keto you lose a lot of sodium. So they taste good now, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some seasoning. And this one is Grace's Caribbean seasoning. Or you can just put Himalayan salt if you want. Oh yeah, that tastes bomb. And you can take these with you, just put them in a bag or eat them at the house, but don't throw away your chicken skin, just fry it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Godlovessophiia, Sophia, and also on Twitter, Godlovessophiia as well.